This electric fireplace logs come with realistic red burning logs and dancing flame effects to create a warm and cozy home atmosphere. The flame effect can be operated with or without heat. You can enjoy the ambience of a rolling fire all year long. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Adjustable flame. This electric log has 5 adjustable brightness levels, and the flame's brightness cycles from low to high, creating the effect of rolling, pulsating, and realistic flame. The flames of the electric fireplace will be projected onto your existing fireplace through a rotating device inside. Number 2. 8-hour timer and remote control. This electric log insert is equipped with an 8-hour timer, adds more convenience, and sets your suitable time up, and the fireplace heater will turn off automatically when the time's up. The infrared remote control is provided for easy operation while you are away from the heater on a cold night. Number 3. Safe for your family. 5,000 BTU and 1,500 watts power electric logs for the fireplace provide supplemental zone heating for your living room, bedroom, or basement. Creates a warm atmosphere for the whole family. Equipped with an overheat function, it will shut off automatically to offering intimate protection for you. Number 4. Energy saving and portable design. This ETL standard fireplace insert works with electricity and requires no venting or gas lines. No need to worry about chimney fires and messy ashes of a real wood stove. The size of 21 inches length by 8.7 inches width by 12.2 inches height made it portable and perfect for anywhere in the room that needs some warmth and charm. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.